How to calculate this green area? The question statement states that we have a larger circle. We have 4 identical circles that touch the larger circle internally and pass through the center of the larger circle. Furthermore, the question states that the diameter of the larger circle is 28 centimeters. This question has a problem. The statement needed to provide other information that it didn't. According to the properties of tangent circles, we have that this point of tangency between this smaller circle and the larger circle and the two centers of these circles are aligned. Using the same property, we have that this point of tangency between this smaller circle and this smaller circle, and the center of this smaller circle with the center of the other smaller circle, are also aligned. With the same reasoning, we have that this center here of this smaller circle, the center of the larger circle, and this point of tangency between them are also aligned. So, with this, we can form a single segment that contains all these special points. Using the same reasoning, we conclude that all these other points here are also aligned. Now, let's angle formed between this segment and this segment for this angle to be 90. Now with this hypothesis added to the question statement, the question becomes easy to solve if you can see that if we rotate this semicircle in the direction counterclockwise around the origin, we can conclude that our original green area is worth the same thing as 1/4 of the area of the larger circle. As the diameter of the larger circle is 28 centimeters, then its radius is half of that, which is 14 centimeters. So our green area will be equal to the radius squared x pi. This here would be the area of the entire larger circle. Then as we only want the area of 1/4 of the entire circle, we divide this by 4. Doing these calculations we obtain that our desired area is approximately 153.94 centimeters.